Healthy summer treats, summer tips to keep you healthy. Increase water intake. Summer causes dehydration. It leads to excessive sweating that causes loss of fluids in the body. Thus, drinking lots of water keeps us hydrated. Drinking water regulates the body temperature and keeps dehydration at bay. Avoid caffeine. Caffeine and other beverages cause a lot of sugar spikes that might be harmful to our health. It also causes the formation of traces of phosphoric acid that could damage the lining of the digestive tract and affect its function. Refrain from chilled drinks. Even though the scorching heat causes an urge to drink more cold beverages, it doesn't help to ease the thirst. Instead, the cold temperature of the drink constricts the blood vessels, thereby causing more damage to the body. Avoid dry fruits. Dry fruits are healthy and nutritious, however, they generate body heat and are to be avoided during the summer season. Dry fruits can be replaced by fresh fruits in summer season. Refrain from hot foods. Consuming hot foods in summer generates heat in the body, thus, it is better to avoid foods such as spinach, hot peppers, radish, garlic and onions. Also, go easy on the intake of spice during the summer season. Cut down on sugary foods. Sugary foods also increase the body heat. Make sure to avoid honey and molasses. Consider the intake of sugar in its natural form that is found in vegetables and fruits. Thanks for watching my video Healthy Summer Treats, Summer Tips to Keep You Healthy. Please subscribe my channel.